To say this was a good year for Deere is a massive understatement. One of the big questions coming out of the month-long UAW strike was how it would impact the company's bottom dollar. But after this morning's fourth quarter earnings call, executives seem not only happy about 2021, but thrilled about 2022's projections. On Wednesday morning, Deere & Company announced a year of record-breaking profits. The company reported a healthy fourth quarter, making $1.28 billion from August to October. And at the end of 2021's fiscal year, John Deere made $5.96 billion in profits.
Its full fiscal year 2021 net income was up over 117% higher than for full year 2020.
Financial expert Mark Gravicheski says this is good news for Wall Street and investors.
Its stock is trading up about 5-6% up on the day based on its performance.
So how much did the 35-day UAW strike impact the company's earnings? On Wednesday, Deere executives said low inventory, driven partly by the strike, labor shortages, and supply shortages, should be quickly remedied.
First quarter, we'll have our toughest price cost comp for the year. We expect that to be negative in the first quarter, but positive for the full year.
Executives also addressed that newly ratified UAW contract.
Over the 6-year contract, the incremental cost will be between $250 and $300 million pre-tax per year, with 80% of that impacting operating margins.
But it's not dampening John Deere's spirits. Forecasters for 2022 predict the company will break its own records and could potentially bring in nearly $7 billion in profits. Part of that driven by a rising demand for precision farm equipment.
We're also seeing strong demands for some of our newer products like Exact Rate Planter applied fertilizer systems and AutoPath.
These technologies include GPS and computer-driven equipment, including things like self-driving tractors and more accurate planters. Overall, the one thing Wednesday's call made abundantly clear is John Deere's growth does not show any signs of slowing down. And Deere has another reason to be excited for 2022. After the passing of a $1 trillion federal infrastructure bill, the company expects the demand for its construction equipment to increase next year. Denise?
Thank you, Shelby. That $300 million per year cost of the new UAW contract that you just heard does not factor into an 8% pay raise for all of John Deere's salaried workers.